the air. And my observation is that because we are a devolved government, we are all one citizens, devolved government, but we have also a different level of citizens in the sense that we have the county citizens, like Mandera citizens. We have the Nyanza citizens. And so the level, the county government, because we are talking about government, in Mandera could be doing something completely different to uplift the livelihoods of the people of Mandera. And the same happens with Kisumu, happens with Mombasa. So the Wanjiku has different views and feelings about the two levels of government. I can speak for mine, and in terms of the different sectors that our colleagues have analyzed, for example, in education in my county, the Wanjiku is very, very happy because we have taken over the secondary school fees and everybody is going to secondary for free. Yeah? That is not true with Kisumu. It's not true with Mombasa. It's not true
because you are few, Governor.
Yes, so...
Is it because of the numbers?
Yeah.
So, what number? So, we are paying for almost 40,000 secondary school students. That's not true with every county. And so you can imagine the difference between the feelings of the two Wanjikus, if you want to use that terminology. And that is true. In healthcare, we have put quite a bit of legwork as a county government. And we had ensured that every person in my county is able to access and afford healthcare without being turned back when they come to the dispensary at the primary level to the referral level. So this is quite subjective in a way. But when it comes to the national government, I agree to some extent that there's a lot of noise and a lot of chaos that really confuses what are the views and the feelings of Wanjiku. You talked about SHA, for example. First of all, we must agree fundamentally, and the advantage I have over my colleagues here is that I am in government, so I can actually, I'm an insider and I can feel what's happening, is that, for example, SHA, you see, when government comes in, why you come in is, and you campaign on a platform of manifesto to believe that you can actually change things and improve this country or this county. And so, for you to really implement a manifesto that is drastically transformative, you must expect to shake the system. And part of shaking the system is to anger, you know, the common mwananchi. It doesn't come easily because you are changing a status quo. You are changing, you are really making people uncomfortable in many ways, you know, and moving things from what they are used to something completely different. So a lot of the worry and the fears and the discomfort you are seeing is as a result of that.
But is there hope at the end of the day? Because
the big question is, are we generally heading in the right direction?
That's my
opinion is that we are heading in the right direction as a country. SHA, of course, it has its problems, but it's way, way better than what we had in NHIF. I can attest to that because I can feel it. I am on the ground. I see what citizens go every day. There are some things that we can improve within SHA that can really make things better, absolutely. But in terms of the overall objective of improving healthcare and access to health and affordability, because in the first place that was the intent, is that we are actually heading in the right direction. Not considering, you know, the challenges that we are facing and all the noises. The same thing with housing sector. I mean, what else would you have done? We are implementing an affordable housing program. Where will you get the money? What better things would you have done for Kenyans? You must levy some sort of taxes in order to generate, to allow the government to implement this important program. I am sure none of my colleagues would disagree that there is housing crisis in Kenya. And the only option is for the government to undertake certain program that will ease this problem. And one of the ways is what we are undertaking right now. The same thing with transport infrastructure, water, and all these things. So by and large, I believe that given the short term that this government has been, both at national and county level, this country is heading in the right direction. The only thing is that there hasn't been enough time to really feel the true positive impact of all the programs that have been implemented.